Okay, the dehydrator turned off during the night, and this is the jerky. As you can see, it's good and dry. So I'm going to put it in my bowl and weigh and see exactly how much we had. I put almost 8 pounds of meat out into the jerky. Like I say, this is my most requested recipe. I actually posted on Facebook that I was making it, and one of the gentlemen that my husband had worked with said he's on his way over. So he remembers this stuff, even though it's been a while since I've had any of it. But look at that. And if you remember, whenever I put it on the trays, it was touching. I told you it was fine for it to be touching, just not to be overlapping, so you can see the shrinkage of it. Okay. Hopefully this is only the first of many deer that will be made into jerky this year. We're almost there, guys. Almost there. Normally what I do for us here at home is I store this in a half-gallon wide mouth jar. Makes a fantastic snack. And you're not supposed to store it like in a Ziploc bag or something like that for long term, because it could sweat and cause mold problems. Especially if you have it, say, like over top of a coffee maker or something like that in a cabinet. So, all right. You see my big bowl full. Now, let's go get the weight. Okay, I've already set my scales for the weight of the bowl. So, let's put that on there. And I had 3 ounces from what I made in the oven. So out of almost 8 pounds, I got about 3.6. So folks, it shrinks by literally, let's just say half. So there you go, guys. My most requested recipe. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching the video. Like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys on the next video.